how I was able to scale my real estate portfolio to over $200 million in just 5 years, which is still crazy to me, y'all. It's still crazy, which is why I know that many of you may be thinking, good, hell, another handsome dude, bald dude with a YouTube channel who thinks he knows everything. And listen, I'm obviously extremely handsome, but you'll never hear me profess that I know everything. Really, I'm successful because I've been able to surround myself with people who know a lot more than I do. But also, what I'm about to show you isn't a secret. In fact, a lot of people do what I'm about to show you, they just do it on a small scale. A scale called single family fix and flips, right? So what I'm gonna talk to you about and show you are big, sexy multifamily apartment deals. And y'all, it's the same thing. It's not as intimidating as that sounds. And trust me, if I can do it, anybody can do it. My name is Tyler Devereaux, and I've been investing in all kinds of real estate for about 16 years, which seems like a long time. Makes me feel like I'm getting old. And this video that I'm about to show you, I'm excited for, because if I would have known the things that I'm about to show you right now, when I first started investing, I don't know, I'd be doing a lot of bitchin' things right now. I don't know what, okay, but even crazy, I don't know, maybe hanging out with Elon on the moon, who knows, I don't know, okay? But you get the point, it's valuable, so I'm excited to show you. Let's dive into this thing. All right, so if you're just starting into real estate or you feel like your portfolio needs some rocket fuel, my goal is to help you see how my choice to invest in multifamily really was my only shot at hitting my goal of $1 billion in assets in under 10 years. Right now, 5 years in, I'm a little over 200 million in assets. And I'm gonna blow past my goal of 1 billion, but had I have chose to invest in single family property like everybody else, that would be a whole different story. I mean, I'd maybe have $1 million. I'd be lucky to have $1 million. I certainly would not be living here in Maui. And once again, I'm very, very grateful to be living here in Maui. This has been a dream of mine for a long time. I'm grateful for that. So if you Google how much money you should make if you fix and flip a single family property, there's this article on flipperforce.com that says an average rehabber shoots for about a 10 to 20% profit on the ARV, the after repair value. And that depends obviously on the market, the project risk, and all those kind of things. But a 10% profit on the lower end and a 20% profit would be considered an absolute home run by most rehabber standards. So for example, if a property's after repair value, ARV, is $250,000, a rehabber should expect to make about $25,000 on the lower end and $50,000 on the higher end. So some of you may be thinking, okay, hey, that's a great return actually. You know, you seasoned investors are out there are like, yeah, 20% return is pretty freaking good, dude. Like, what's your point? What are you talking about? Well, here's my point. As of January 2022, last month, the average home price in the United States is $374,000, almost $375,000. So if you've limited yourself to only fixing and flipping single family homes, you can only do so many homes by yourself in 1 year, and your profits go down even further if you decide to bring on a partner. Now, I'm not saying that this isn't an amazing way to create income. However, when it comes time to start scaling your real estate portfolio to 8, 9, even 10 figures, you're going to have to do thousands of deals every single year. And let's be honest, even doing one fix and flip per month is difficult. So why not think bigger? Just seriously, why not think bigger than single family fix and flips? What if I told you that the same amount of work, honestly, a lot of times even less, you could do the same thing with a multifamily apartment deal? Why not have 10 to 20% return on a $10 million apartment deal instead of a small little baby single family home? This isn't to knock single family homes, this is to get you to think bigger. Y'all, this is the part where I blow your damn mind. It's the same concept. Let me tell you what I do with multifamily deals. I find a good deal, a property that makes sense, just like I would if I were gonna do single family properties, right? Then I fix it up, I raise the value of that property and hold it and then sell it, just like I would do a single family flip. The only difference is I don't use my own money to pay for the down payment of that property like most people do with a single family flip. What I do is I find investors that want stable investment returns, and we buy that deal together. That's it. In just a few years, that's how I've been able to scale my real estate portfolio to over $200 million. And the reason that I think that I know that multifamily deals are so much easier than single family deals are because the average apartment deal costs $10 million. Now with $10 million, there's room for partners, property management, and anybody else that you need help with to increase the value of the property. That way you don't have to worry about fixing and flipping toilets and painting and roofing and yard work and all the other grunt work that goes into that. You truly get to work on scaling your portfolio. My job is not to manage my properties. My job is to go buy more properties. And if you're sitting here wondering, okay, Tyler, listen, I think I get the concept, but I have just absolutely zero idea how to start. I don't expect you to be able to start buying $10 million plus apartment properties right off the bat because you watched some guy, handsome guy on YouTube that told you that you could. But below in this video, there's a link, okay, that will walk you through step by step on how to get started investing in multifamily real estate. It's there for you whenever you're ready to absolutely take your portfolio to the next level. I also hold live masterclasses all over the United States. Go to the multifamilymindset.com and see if there's an event coming to your area. For other resources, well shit, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, share, all those kind of things. If you haven't already, also find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever, all those places. All my links are in the description. I wish you all the best of luck in your real estate journeys. Even if you decide to keep fixing and flipping single family homes, I hope you enjoy the video. Aloha.